Have you ever felt like you just can't get enough air? You can't catch your breath. You take a deep breath and then you take another, but that feeling is just not satisfied. That can be uncomfortable, frightening even. Often the problem isn't you don't have enough oxygen, it's the signal that your body is responding to. I see this regularly. Clients will present with shortness of breath or just simply that inability to feel like they are getting enough air. They've often had lung tests and their lung function feels normal, their oxygen levels fall within the normal ranges, and yet they still have labored breathing and are unable to feel satisfied with their normal breathing pattern. This is also very common with people who deal with elevated levels of stress, anxiety, people who live a high performance lifestyle who are simply in go mode a lot of the time. Feeling is very real, but the reason that you have it is often very misunderstood. Often, even when your oxygen levels are normal, but your breathing patterns changed, your level of CO2 shifts, and your body interprets that message very differently. Those of you who are familiar with hyperventilation or have seen someone who hyperventilates, where they're in that panic state where they are breathing heavily, what's happening there is often we are blowing off a lot more CO2 than normal. When our CO2 level drops, it changes our blood chemistry and our body responds. That puts us into an activated state. So our autonomic nervous system shifts into that sympathetic dominance and we are activated. Remember, CO2 isn't just a waste gas. It is a very important part of your blood chemistry in order to deliver oxygen and make it available to muscles and organs that desperately need it. Breathlessness is a sensation. It is not a shortage. So often we get stuck in loops that we are totally unaware of as our body responds to stimulus, both from the external world, but also our internal state. So whether it is stress, speed of our breath, so it can be mouth breathing, it can be over breathing, it can be short breaths, it can be fast, uncontrolled, irregular patterns. A lot of this is synonymous with anxiety, and what happens is our brain interprets that pattern, it sees it as a threat or danger. So this sensation then reinforces the behavior, and then the behavior reinforces the sensation, and we get stuck in these loops. So often what happens is we're trying to solve this problem. We're taking deeper breaths, faster breaths. We're actually continuing that loop and exacerbating the problem. So here is a breathing pattern that I will show you that can reset and recalibrate your body by the message that it is able to send to relax and calm the body, both your internal and external state. And it is a 4-6 breath, and what we are going to do is we're going to breathe in low, slow through our nose for a count of 4, and then we're going to breathe out for a count of 6. The longer our exhale, the more parasympathetic, dominant, or relaxed we're going to be. So that breathing pattern looks a little something like this. We're going to go in, 2, 3, 4 through the nose, and then we're going to go shh. So in and out through our nose, breathing in, breathing out. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This breathwork pattern will help you break the loop that you may be aware or unaware that you are in, and allow you to reset and recalibrate your internal state. Remember, you're not trying to get more oxygen. You are trying to stabilize the message that your body is receiving. So that feeling of breathlessness or being out of breath is very real, and often it is your body responding to the signal that it is receiving. Certainly there are cases where it is physiologically based and you should receive medical evaluation. But quite often, as I've explained, it is not the level of oxygen in our body. It is the way our body responds, if you want to call it, to the threat assessment that it is receiving. So the next time you feel out of breath, pause, focus on your breathing, breathe in low, slow, through your nose, extend your exhale, and send your body a new signal.